जेनेटिक डायग्नोसिस। जेनेटिक्स जैसे कि आपको मालूम है इट इज़ ऑल द गेम ऑफ डीएनए एंड डायग्नोसिस मीन्स टू टेस्ट टू आइडेंटिफाई. So let's talk about genetic diagnosis in detail. Genetic diagnosis is commonly known as DNA testing. It is not only used to diagnose vulnerable genetic diseases, but it also plays a very important role in forensic medicines. It helps to determine the parent-child parentage, biological relationship between the people. Then we can easily come to know about the crime victims and the crime suspects. Now, how genetic diagnosis can take place? It can take place at a level of chromosome, or it can take place at a gene level. So, let's talk about the identification at a chromosomal level. We look at the number of chromosomes as well as we talk about the structure of chromosomes. जैसे कि आपको मालूम है कि क्रोमोसोम के दो लॉन्ग आर्म होते हैं और एक शॉर्ट आर्म होता है. अगर किसी आर्म में भी डिफेक्ट हो तो इट लीड्स टू द जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर्स. एंड वंस अगेन आई वांट टू टेल यू ओवर हियर दैट जीन्स make up the chromosome and allelic pairs make up the genes. Now here how the mutations in chromosome take place. It can be deletion के क्रोमोसोम के किसी डीएनए सेगमेंट को डिलीट कर दें और वो आर्म शॉर्ट हो जाए, इट इज़ नोन एज डिलीशन. देन इन्वर्जन, क्रोमोसोम में कोई सा भी डीएनए सेगमेंट इन्वर्ट हो जाए, इट लीड्स टू इन्वर्जन म्यूटेशन. Then translocation, that the segment of DNA is translocated from one chromosome to another. Then it can be another type of mutation which is known as non-disjunction. In non-disjunction, chromosomes are unable to get separate during meiosis. So Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klein syndrome arises due to non-disjunction chromosomal abnormality. Now let's talk about the gene mutation. जैसे कि हमने क्रोमोसोमल एबनॉर्मेलिटी की बात की, इसी तरह जीन म्यूटेशन में हम एक न्यूक्लियोटाइड के निकालने से डिलीशन हो जाती है. एक न्यूक्लियोटाइड के आने से आइदर इट इज़ एडेनिन, ग्वानिन, साइटोसिन, थायमिन, इट कॉजेज इंसर्शन. So it leads to frame shift mutation either due to insertion of a single nucleotide or more nucleotides or deletion of the nucleotides. Similarly, point mutation is a mutation of one gene. So point mutations there are number of examples of point mutations, and one of them is sickle cell anemia. Then substitution is another type of gene mutation. So mutation is simply a change in the genetic material. It can be either at a chromosomal level or it can be either at a gene level. Now we know that mutations can occur at a gene level or at a chromosomal level. One of the activity of the gene is to synthesize proteins. अगर कोई genetic mutation identify हो जाता है तो it means that there is defect in the protein function or in the function of other metabolites as well. So for this reason, to identify these complex genetic disorders, several hundred genetic tests are now available. Now there are different types of genetic diagnosis and we will discuss them one by one with example. Now the first one is newborn screening. जैसे ही बच्चा पैदा होता है 24 से लेके 48 आवर्स तक हम बच्चे के हील्स से ब्लड सैंपल लेते हैं, क्योंकि बच्चे की वेन्स प्रोमिनेंट नहीं होती, हील सॉफ्ट होती हैं एंड हील प्रिक इज़ ईजी टू ड्रॉ द ब्लड सैंपल. जैसे ही कि हमने ब्लड सैंपल ड्रॉ किया, we can send it for genetic testing. Now after sending the blood sample, we can wait for just 1 to 2 days. Now through this newborn screening, we can identify number of genetic disorders. One of the examples are phenylketonuria and congenital hypothyroidism. Otherwise there is a list of such newborn genetic disorders. Now let's elaborate phenylketonuria. Phenylketonuria is caused by a defect in a single gene, and this single gene can affect the functions of the protein, especially of amino acid known as alanine. Now once this amino acid get defective. Because of the defective enzyme, the symptoms appear in the newborn. So in order to control those symptoms, the physician help the parents or guide them for the diet of the newborn. So by controlling the diet of the newborn, we can easily control the symptoms, even the severe symptoms of phenylketonuria. Then diagnostic testing. Diagnostic testing can be performed in future or later in life. For example, the patient is suffering from pain and cramps in the abdomen, then frequent urination, blood in the urine, और जैसे ही kidney stones appear होते हैं, these stones are sent for gene testing, and the patient came to know that he or she is suffering from polycystic kidney disease. Then कैरियर टेस्टिंग. कैरियर टेस्टिंग बहुत से ममालिक में जैसे कि ईरान में शादी से पहले कैरियर टेस्टिंग कराना कंपल्सरी है. दिस इज़ फॉर द कपल्स. इफ़ दे आर कैरियर, it is necessary for the physician to counsel them that they can transfer this disease to the offsprings. Then pre-implantation and genetic diagnosis. Some parents or couples select in vitro fertilization, for which we take one egg and sperms from the male. Now in vitro fertilization takes place, that is in the lab, and the embryo is developed. This embryo is then screened for different genetic disorders. अगर embryo genetic disorder से पाक है, then it is implanted into the uterus of the mother. Nowadays, the most important type of genetic diagnosis is prenatal diagnosis, that is the diagnosis of the genetic disorder before birth. That can be trisomy 21, which is commonly known as Down syndrome, trisomy 18, Turner syndrome, or it can be Klinefelter syndrome. Then predictive and pre-symptomatic testing. कभी भी हम अपनी ज़िंदगी में जीन टेस्टिंग कराएं, और फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल अगर BRCA जीन्स में कोई डिफेक्ट या म्यूटेशन नज़र आती है, इट मीन्स दैट द फीमेल इज़ ससेप्टेबल टू ओवेरियन और ब्रेस्ट कैंसर. Then pharmacogenomics is another type of genetic diagnosis. It plays a very important role in treating the cancer patients, especially for selecting the drug for the treatment and even the dose of the drug that the patient can absorb. So pharmacogenomics play a very important role in treating the cancer patients before undergoing chemotherapy. Now, number of risks are associated with genetic disorder. Keep in mind that the risk associated with genetic diagnosis is very small, but these risks, if it occurs, then it can cause the loss of pregnancy. And once the person comes to know that he is the carrier of genetic disorder or he is suffering from genetic disorder, then emotional and psychological consequences can occur. Even the social issues, stress occur within the family members, and family members are interested in the type of the treatment and also the financial issues that the family members have to face. क्योंकि genetic diagnosis poor community के लिए नहीं है, it is assumed that it is only for rich community because genetic diagnosis is very much expensive.